Time for a Z update. Got Black Widow here. Getting ready to come out of the trailer at SF Auto Labs. Got the shop open. I'm going to throw it in the back bay. Brought everything down earlier today in the Abarth. Got my away tool set, all the parts I'm going to need today. Got the extra steering racks and stuff like that I'll need later. I'm just going to get everything down here and pack it in the trailer. That's all good. We're going in the back bay today. I'm going to have it here a couple days while I get the carpet out, driver's side seat out, and get it prepped for drift cage to do the roll cage install, get me fitted in there. They have to actually fit me to the cockpit to make sure the roll, everything, the hoops all clear me. And my little baby is running fabulous today. Tune and everything's looking great. Purring like a top. Molto bella, molto bella. But in case you've never seen it, this is SF Auto Labs. These bays are available for rental by the hour, by the half day, by the day, by the week, by the month, whatever you need. Talk to Alexi. There it is right there. SF Auto Labs, proud sponsor of BrainFizz VR LLC's Stupid Little Drift Adventure. Bye, kids.